Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to post on Pinterest. Let's get into the video. So, the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to log into your Pinterest account, after which you click on this plus icon here. Once you're there, you simply click on what? Pin. So, after that, you simply need to choose the pin. So, I'm going to choose this. Click on next. After choosing it, you simply need to add your pin title. So I'll just insert my title 12. So after that, you can simply add description about this post. So after that, you can simply add a destination link. So you can add either your YouTube link here, or your website link, or your Facebook link, any link you want. Once you're done with that, let me just add my YouTube link. So I'll go to my YouTube channel. So I'll simply click here on the profile, click on it, click on what? Shared, copy it, and come and paste it here. Save. So after that, click on add link. So guys, we just added that link. So you can simply add another text if you want. So once you're done with that, you simply need to click on what? Next. So you simply need to save this pin. I'll just save it here. After saving it, it will automatically post. After that, you simply click on what? Done. So guys, we just actually post that video, that photo on our Pinterest account, as you can see. So we need to refresh it. So this is it here. So guys, that's actually the way you actually post on Pinterest. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.